Introductions. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
I'm David. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from America. And you?
I'm from Canada. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm an engineer. How old are you?
I'm 28. And you?
I'm 30. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister. What about you?
I'm an only child. Do you enjoy being a teacher?
I do. It's very rewarding, but it can be challenging at times. What about you? Do you enjoy being an engineer?
Absolutely. I like solving problems and seeing the results of my work. What's the most challenging part of teaching?
Keeping the students engaged. Some days they're just not in the mood to focus. How about you? What's challenging in your field?
Deadlines. Sometimes we have to work under a lot of pressure to finish a project on time.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
Same here. Traveling is one of my favorite things to do. Where's the best place you've visited?
That's a tough one. But I'd say Italy. The food, the history, the architecture. It's amazing. What about you?
I'd say Turkey. The mix of cultures and the beautiful landscapes really impressed me.
It's been really nice talking to you, Sarah.
Same here, David. It's always great meeting someone new and having a good conversation.
Let's go with work. Do you like your job as a teacher, Sarah?
Yes, I love teaching children and seeing them improve. Do you enjoy being an engineer, David?
Yes, designing projects and solving problems is very satisfying. How long have you been a teacher, Sarah?
I've been teaching for 5 years now. What about you? How long have you been an engineer, David?
I've been an engineer for 6 years so far. What's your favorite thing about teaching young kids, Sarah?
Watching them learn and grow is the best part. What do you enjoy most about engineering, David?
I enjoy creating structures that people use every day. Do you work with a team at school, Sarah?
Yes, I collaborate with other teachers on lessons and events. Do you work alone or in a team, David?
Mostly in a team, especially for large projects. Do you ever feel stressed from teaching, Sarah?
Sometimes, but it's rewarding to help students succeed. Is engineering stressful for you, David?
Yes, especially meeting deadlines and solving unexpected problems. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget the subscribe button.